Can you
Where's
spell,
the I?
you spell your name na you get the letters from your math, baby?
Ala nga, jigs ko
Pabren me, shh, pabren me, bibidyo kepin eh.
Ang kay, kumyak-yak.
What is it?
What is it? Tell auntie. The
I-N-T.
then T.
This is and together.
What together, Julian?
You're missing.
The missing.
Oh, can you just get the letter? Can you just get the rest of the letters? You can spell your name without the letter I, Julian.
Okay, come here. You jump. Jump. You jump. You spell your letter. J. Okay, what's the next letter? The next letter. J.
You spell your name.
Okay, spell your name. J. U. L.
Talaga linundag yan eh.
I. A.
Yay! What about Isaac?
Isaac. Isaac. I. S.
Alam, Spider-Man niya.
Oh, what's the next letter? What's the next letter? I. S. A. What's the next letter?
What's the last letter?
K.
No, it's not K. It's letter C, Julian.
Doon mo kalati, Paldo.
Orending ka eh. Wait, ang eskwela malapit kaya kayo na eh.